TableToscal.com is a one-line free tool that allows you to convert data from Excel tables or delimited data into SQL scripts like insert, delete, or update. First, we select the records from the table we will use along with the names of each column and copy them to the clipboard. Once on the website, do view TableToscal.com, click on the Paste Table with Columns Name button. You will see how all the records are pasted into an Excel-like table, with the column names displayed in the first row. Next, enter the table name and select the type of script you want to generate. We'll start with an update script, assuming we've received an employee table in Excel to update the database with the new department they belong to and their new monthly salary. Adjust the column names as needed, and you'll see them update on the right side. In the Update section, check only department and monthly salary, as those are the fields we need to update in this case. In the Where section, select only the ID field since the update will be performed based on this field. Click the Generate Script button, and the script with all the corresponding updates for each record will be automatically generated. You can then use the Copy Script button to copy the result and execute it in your database engine. You can add more fields to the Update and Where sections if required. Now let's change the script type to Delete. The page will display a Where column where you can add the fields to use as filters for the script. Another script option is Insert, which allows you to select each field to include in the insert statement for your table. Generate the script and you're done. The site also enables you to export table data to JSON or XML format if needed. It's a great tool that will surely be very helpful for you. If you liked it, share it so other professionals can benefit from this simple yet essential tool for those of us who work with data.